Encountering challenges selling on Amazon is par for the course. In this video, I'm going to talk about quite a few things that can go wrong and your next move to fix them. I'll guide you through the essential steps to take when something does go awry in your Amazon business. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, a retired optometrist who achieved financial, time, and location freedom by building an online business to $500,000 per month and then selling it for a multi-million-dollar exit. I did this by focusing on Amazon PPC and my perpetual sales machine strategy. I've also helped other brands exceed $10 million per year in sales through my agency, and unlike many other gurus, I have real experience in creating successful online businesses, and specifically on Amazon. Enough about me, let's sail into the choppy waters of selling on Amazon. Number one is assessing account health and performance. Firstly, take a holistic look at your account health and overall performance. This will give you a bird's eye view of where things might be going wrong. Sometimes the issue could be as simple as a minor account setting that needs tweaking or a warning that needs acknowledgement. If you are suspended, I highly recommend getting an attorney involved. Let me know in the comments if you'd like the attorney I recommend the most. Number two, evaluate your reviews and ratings. If you see a sudden drop in sales, your product reviews and ratings are a direct line to customer feedback, and so that could be what's causing it. Negative trends here can significantly impact sales. Addressing any issues highlighted in the reviews can help improve your product and your customer satisfaction. Number three, competitive analysis. You need to understand what your competitors are doing because that can provide invaluable insights. Are they bundling products? Are they offering a more competitive price? Analyze their strategy and see if there's something they're doing that you could adapt or improve upon in your listing. Number four, pricing strategies. Regularly compare your price with that of your competitors. Pricing too high or too low can affect your sales and market position. Adjust your pricing strategy to stay competitive while maintaining a healthy profit margin. Did your coupon get removed? Did your competition add a coupon? These are all things that can adjust that pricing strategy. Number five, inventory management. Frequent stockouts can harm your sales and organic ranking. Efficient inventory management ensures you have enough stock to meet demand without overextending your storage capabilities. I almost bankrupted my company by ordering too much inventory and I had no cash left, but I also lost $250,000 when I stocked out of 4 or 5 bestsellers over the course of a month. Make sure you get inventory out of spreadsheets and into a software that updates every single hour. Check out a trial of SKU Compass inventory management software at SKUcompass.com. Number six, advertising and promotions. Check for any advertising suspensions or dips in campaign performance. Refresh your advertising strategies as needed. Additionally, consider running promotions like lightning deals or discounts to boost sales. Number seven, leverage external traffic. Utilize external traffic sources like social media, email marketing, or other online platforms to drive traffic to your Amazon listing. Amazon attribution links can help track the effectiveness of these efforts. I recommend making a new external ad to your listing every single week, as some will do well, but most will not. But when you turn on the external traffic faucet, it can increase your organic rank significantly. Number eight, learn from top sellers. Observe top sellers in your category. What strategies are they using that you're not? Learn from their approaches and consider how you can apply similar tactics to your business. Look at their photos. Analyze their listing with Listing Optimizer by ZonGuru. Look at their ratings. Look at their title. Look at everything. Number nine, keyword and market trend analysis. Ensure your main keywords are properly indexed. Also stay alert to seasonal trends and global market shifts that could impact your product's demand and sales. You can search trends on Google Trends or inside ZonGuru's keyword tracker. When faced with challenges in your Amazon business or a drop in sales, taking a structured approach to problem solving and go down this checklist that I just went over to see if you can figure it out. If you enjoyed this video, check out my free Amazon PPC Masterclass in my profile or at profitablepineapple.com. This was just one chapter in my free Amazon PPC Masterclass, which is better than any paid course out there, in my opinion. We've only just scratched the surface. To unlock even more profitability with your advertising, continue watching this full Amazon PPC Masterclass. I put the video right here so you can click it and watch that entire Amazon PPC Masterclass. If you want this entire Amazon PPC Masterclass emailed to you, make sure you head to profitablepineapple.com and sign up for our free Amazon PPC Masterclass.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Good job.